Hey guys, it's Adam here from AutoCraze. Down to the AutoCraze headquarters today. We're starting 2019 off with a bang. Got ourselves a brand new vehicle in today. My brother Harsh hit me up. He said, look, I got an LDV T60 I want to do some work on. We got really excited. We don't really do many LDVs, so this is the first one we're actually doing the full AutoCraze treatment to. Came in, is getting a 2-inch top dog lift. Came to see Rockstar 2s in the silver machine face with the black inserts. It's also getting the Nitto Terra Grapplers in the 265 50/20. Stay tuned and watch the rest of this build. That's how you do it, LDV, bro! That's it, man. What do you think?
Man, absolutely love it. Beautiful.
Guys, if you didn't know,
Love it.
as I mentioned to you, this is the first LDV we've done work on. So as I mentioned, we've done the lift kit, the wheels and the tyres. Harsh is very happy. Harsh, I've got one last thing for you, bro. These are your
Thank
keys.
you very much, man.
You've officially been AutoCraze.
Thank you.
Take it, brother. No worries.
Cheers, brother.
And how we've grown to not only lead the industry, but be the industry.